Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. In last class, we have discussed the topic number given time. We can write number in reverse order and number name also. Now in this class, again we are discuss the topic number name. Okay. So now here, all of you open your textbook. Open your textbook, page number 6 and sixth question. All of you take your textbook, page number 6 and sixth question. The question given like this. Here the distance between Delhi and Mumbai is 1407 kilometers. Write the distance in words. So now in this question we can write into classwork. So all of you close your textbook, take your classwork, all of you, and draw the margin. Write today's date 29/9 and write the question 6th bit. So now here the distance between Delhi and Mumbai is 1407 kilometers. Write the distance in words. Okay. So now here the distance between Delhi and Mumbai is 1407. So now this number we can write into words. Okay. So now given number, first write the given number 1407 and write the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000. So now the given number I can write into number name. Okay. So now here 1000 place, what is the number having here? 1. So 1000 400 1407. Here tens place not given, only tens place 0 is there. So that's why I am writing here 7. Okay, understood all of you? Here what are the number given? You can write into number name. Write in words or number name. Now I am going to another problem. Next. The distance between Agra and Punjab is P capital Agra and Punjab is 7 kilometers. Write the distance in words. Write the distance in words. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, here the distance between Agra and Punjab is 2357 kilometers. Write the distance in words. So now given number we can write in fast. Given number we can write into fast. And then write the number name. So while writing the number name, first we write the place values. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000. In 1000 place, what is the number given here? 2. So now I am writing here 2000. 2300 2357. So note down all of you these two problems in your classwork book. Okay, note down. Write with neat handwriting. Draw the margin with a pencil and write the question and write the solution also. Here also 7th question and write the solution. Write with neat handwriting and classwork must and should write with pencil. Here the place values you can write with pencil. Okay. So classwork write with pen. All of you classwork write with pen, and here place values you can write with pencil and draw the margin with a pencil. Date also you can write with a pen. Okay. Must and should draw the margin, otherwise the classwork is look ugly. Okay. So now finished. After finished your classwork, close your classwork. Take your homework book. Take your homework book, all of you. And write today's date in your homework book. Draw the margin. Draw the margin and write today's date. Write today's date 29/9 and write the question, number name. Number names. Okay. Now here A bit, B bit and C bit. Okay. So now these three problems you can note down in your homework book and write the answer, only number name. Okay, understood all of you? And take your diary, all of you. Write today's date, day, Tuesday, date, 29/9 and max diary work. Do given problems. Do given problems in homework book. Do given problems in homework book. Okay, understood? So now how many problems given in your homework book? 3 problems given. No? So now these 3 problems write with neat handwriting and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.